Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to view shared media in a chat on Telegram web using your PC. Whether you're looking for photos, videos, or other files, this updated method will help you access them effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Telegram web by visiting web.telegram.org. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your phone number and the verification code to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see your list of chats displayed on the left side of the screen. Next, locate the chat where you want to view shared media. You can scroll through your list of chats or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you're looking for. Once you've found it, click on the chat to open it. Now, look at the top of the chat window where the name or profile of the contact is displayed. Click on this name to open the contact info page. This page contains various details about the chat, including options for managing notifications and viewing shared media. From here, locate the section labeled Media. Click on it to enter a dedicated area where all the shared media from that chat is stored. This includes photos, videos, and other files that have been exchanged in the conversation. As you browse through this section, you'll see thumbnails of each item. These thumbnails make it easy to identify the content you're looking for. If you want to view a specific photo or video in detail, simply click on it. The media will open in a larger view, allowing you to enjoy it fully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to access shared media in a Telegram web chat on your PC. With just a few clicks, you can relive memories or find important files without hassle. Thank you for tuning in. Happy exploring.